Neuron synapse and its function. Introduction to the synapse. A synapse is the tiny gap where two neurons meet. It's the critical site where information is transferred from one neuron to another. Structure of the synapse. Times. The synapse consists of the axon terminal of the presynaptic neuron, the dendrite of the postsynaptic neuron, and the synaptic cleft, which is the tiny space between them. Communication happens across this cleft. Electrical signal conversion. When an electrical signal, or action potential, travels down the axon of the presynaptic neuron, it reaches the axon terminal, triggering a process that enables communication with the next neuron. Release of neurotransmitters. Times when the action potential arrives, it causes synaptic vesicles in the axon terminal to fuse with the membrane. These vesicles release chemical messengers called neurotransmitters into the synaptic cleft. Neurotransmitter binding. The neurotransmitters diffuse across the synaptic cleft and bind to specific receptor sites on the membrane of the postsynaptic neuron. This binding either excites or inhibits the postsynaptic neuron. Signal transmission or termination. Times. After the neurotransmitter has done its job, it is either broken down by enzymes or taken back up by the presynaptic neuron in a process called reuptake, clearing the synaptic cleft and allowing the neuron to reset for the next signal. Importance of the synapse. Times. Synapses are crucial for brain function. They enable the rapid communication between neurons that underlies everything from reflexes to complex thinking and emotions. In summary, the synapse is where neurons communicate. Electrical signals are transformed into chemical messages, which either excite or inhibit the next neuron, ensuring that the nervous system functions smoothly.